Hello friends, welcome to Balkishar Premier Academy, one of the most pioneer institute for GATE, IES and PSU examination. In this video, we are going to discuss some numericals related to diffusion process inside the semiconductors. So in the first question you can see it is written that consider a semiconductor at T equals to 300 K. The electron concentration varies linearly from 1 into 10 to the power 18 to 7 into 10 to the power 17 per centimeter cube or cc over a distance of 0.10 centimeter. So we have to calculate the diffusion current density due to the electrons if the mobility of the electron is 8653.84 centimeter square volt second. So for this case, you can see that we have to find the electron current density, which is the electron concentration is varying linearly from this value to this value over a distance of 0.1 centimeter. So we can say that, and it is varying linearly. So we can say if this is the point, suppose it is a point A inside the semiconductor, and we are having another point B inside the semiconductor, and the distance between these 2 points will be, according to the question, the distance is 0.10 centimeter, and here the value of the electron concentration at point A. So the value of the electron concentration is 1 into 10 to the power 18 per centimeter cube, and at the point B the value of the electron concentration is given by 7 into 10 to the power 17 per centimeter cube. So we can see the concentration of the electron is varying linearly. So this is a linear plot. So we can say this is a linear plot. Now we have to find the diffusion current. We have to find the diffusion current density due to the electrons if the mobility of the electrons is given. So in this case, we know the mobility of the electron is given by 8653.84 centimeter square volt second. So in this case we can say, according to the Einstein equation, we can find that dn by mu n. So dn by mu n जो value होंगे, that is nothing but the thermal velocity, thermal temperature, and the temperature is given by 300 K. So we can say at 300 K this value Vt is nothing but 0.026 volt, that is the 26 millivolt. So from this equation, if we want to find the value of dn, so dn value will be mu n into Vt. So the value of mu n is equals to 8653.84 into Vt, and Vt equals to 0.26 volt. So we will have a value of dn, and the dn value unit will be centimeter square per second. So in this case we have found the value of dn, and if we calculate this value will be 224.999999 centimeter square per second, or roughly we can say it is 225 centimeter square per second. So we have calculated the value of dn right now. Now if we want to find the value of the current density, so the value of current density will be of the electron will be Jn, and this Jn value will be equals to due to the diffusion, ये diffusion के लिए. So Jn diffusion will be equals to what will be the value? So Jn diffusion, we know that for it is for electron, and that for electron the value is Q into dn into dn by dx. So Q is the electronic charge, dn is the diffusion coefficient for the electrons, and dn by dx is the electron concentration gradient. So let us put the value. So Q value is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, and dn value, we have calculated the dn value. So dn value is 225 centimeter square per second, and dn by dx value, you can see that dn by dx value can be written as, here it is, here the value is 1 into 10 to the power 18. So 1 into 10 to the power 18 minus 7 into 10 to the power 17 divided by distance is given by 0.1, so 0.1, this value. So if we calculate this value, then you can get, it will be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into 225 into, it will be 3 into 10 to the power 17 divided by 0.1. So after calculating the total value, we will find that it will be 108 ampere per centimeter square. So in this way we can calculate the value of Jn diffusion for this circuit. So यहाँ पे हमने Jn diffusion calculation किया for this given question. Now let us take another question. So in the another question you can see that, let us take another question. So in the next question you can see that it is the second question. So the electron concentration is given by Nx equals to this one. So this is the electron concentration given, and here we can see the electron concentration is varying with the distance but exponentially. In the previous question the Nx was varying linearly, but it is varying exponentially, and it is happening for x greater than 0. So ln is given, the diffusion length of the electron, and the diffusion coefficient is given by 25 centimeter square per second. So determine the electron diffusion current at x equals to 0. First question is for x equals to 0. Then we have to find for x equals to 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter. Then we have to find for x equals to infinite. So for this case you can see the nx value is given as 10 to the power 15 exponential minus x by ln, and it is happening for x greater than equals to 0. Now if we find the value of dn x by dx, because we need the concentration gradient, because the Jn diffusion, that is the electron diffusion current, is equals to Q into dn into concentration gradient dn by dx. You can see that Q value we know constant, dn value is given, but we do not know this value, that is the concentration gradient. We need to find this value. If we need to find this value, then we have to differentiate this equation with respect to x. So after differentiating, we will get 10 to the power 15, and we will get differentiation of exponential minus x by ln. So for this purpose, we will get minus 1 by ln and exponential minus x by ln. So this will be the dn by dx, and we have to find the dn by dx for x equals to 0 to finding the diffusion current at x equals to 0. So let us find the dn x by dx at x equals to 0. So if we find at x equals to 0, then it will be 10 to the power 15 minus 1 by ln, and it will be e to the power minus 0 by ln, because x equals to 0. So for this case, you can see that this term exponential will be 1. So ultimately we will get minus 10 to the power 15 divided by ln, and ln value is given by this value 10 to the power minus 4. So if we put the value, it will be 10 to the power 15 in the numerator, and in the denominator it will be 10 to the power minus 4. Ultimately we will get 10 to the power minus 19. So dnx value we have to get, this is per unit centimeter cube and per unit centimeter. So we have found the value of dn by dx at x equals to 0. So in this case, we can find the value of Jn due to diffusion at x equals to 0. It will be q into dn by dx at x equals to 0. We know the value of q. Q is 1.6. So 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Another one, dn value is given, capital Dn, that is 25. So let's put the value of 25, and we have already found the value of dn by dx. So dn by dx is minus 10 to the power minus 19. So after calculation, we will find that it will be minus 40 ampere per centimeter square. So we have found the value of diffusion current density at x equals to 0. Now let us find the value of dn by dx at x equals to 10 to the power minus 4. So dn by dx at x equals to 10 to the power minus 4 centimeters. So for this case, in this equation, I will put the value of x equals to 10 to the power minus 4. So for that case, it will be 10 to the power 15 minus 1 by ln into e to the power minus 10 to the power minus 4 divided by ln. So ln value is also given by 10 to the power minus 4. So here you can see 10 to the power minus 4, because this ln value is also 10 to the power minus 4. So we can cut down this ln and 10 to the power minus 4. Ultimately it will be 10 to the power e to the power minus 1. So we will have 10 to the power 15 minus divided by ln. So 10 to the power minus 4 e to the power minus 1. So after putting this all the value, we can calculate that we will get minus 10 to the power 19 into e to the power minus 1. So now from this, using this value, we can find the value of Jn diffusion at x equals to 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter. So for that case, it will be 1.6. So it will be 1.6 matlab q. So q into dn by dx at x equals to 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter. So for that case, if I put the value, that is 1 point minus 6 So 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into dn value is given 25, and concentration gradient we have found it 10 to the power minus 19 minus sine e to the power minus 1. If we calculate, you can say we will get 14.715 ampere per centimeter square. So in this way we can find the value of current density at x equals to 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter also. Similarly, we can also calculate the value of current density at x equals to infinite. So let us see what will happen. So for that case, we need to find the dn by dx at x equals to infinite. So the value will be, we can say dn by dx, it was 10 to the power 15 minus ln and e to the power minus ln x by ln. So x value is infinite, so let us put the value of infinite by ln. So e to the power minus infinite is nothing but 0, so we can say ultimately it will be 0. So the Jn diffusion at x equals to infinite, so at x equals to infinite, it will be q into dn and dn by dx at x equals to infinite. So we know that dn by dx at x equals to infinite is 0, so ultimately we'll get 0. So in this way we can say we can calculate the current density at different value of x. In the third case, we have calculated the value of the current density due to diffusion at infinite distance, and in the second case, you can see we have calculated the value at x equals to 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter, and in the first case, we have calculated the current density at 10 to the power at x equals to 0. So this was the second numerical. So let us see what will be the, let's move to the third numerical. So in the third numerical, you can see this is the third numerical. A semiconductor bar is given, and here it is written at x equals to 0, and it is x equals to 0.01 centimeter. And at x equals to 0, the whole concentration at x equals to 1, that means it is x1. So x1 पे मेरा whole concentration is p1 and x2 पे whole concentration मुझे ढूंढना होगा. This is the question. We have to find the whole concentration, that is we have to find the value of p2, and whole diffusion current density is given, and dp, that is the diffusion whole diffusion coefficient, is also given. So for this case you can see we know the current density equation Jp for diffusion current will be equals to minus q into dp and dp by dx. Now we know the value of we know the value of q, we know the value of minus dp, and we know the value of dp by dx. So we have to find the value of dp by dx. So let us find the value of dp by dx. So dp by dx will be nothing but p2 minus p1 divided by x2 minus x1. So for that case you can say that p2 value we do not know, so we can find the value of p2. So p2 minus p1 divided by x2 minus x1. So let us put this value here. So in this case it will be minus q into dp, so it will be p2 minus p1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now In this case, we have to find the value of P2 minus P1. So if I find the value of P2 minus P1 from the above equation, you can say that it will be Jp into x2 minus x1 divided by minus q into dp. So what is the value of Jp? Jp is given here. This is the value of Jp, and this is dp given, and x2 x1 values are given here, p1 value is given here, so we can find the value of p2 also. So p2 can be written as jp value is 20 ampere per centimeter square. X2 minus x1, what is x2? X2 is 0.01 centimeter and x1 is 0, so it is 0, minus q means 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, and dp value is 10, and plus p1 value, and p1 value क्या है? P1 value is given by 4 into 10 to the power 17. So after calculating this, you can say that in the first term you will get at minus 1.25 into 10 to the power 18 plus 4 into 10 to the power 17. So after calculating this, we will get, if we take 10 to the power 17 common, then we will get it as 4 minus 0.125. So we will get 2.75 into 10 to the power 17, and P2 value, that is per centimeter cube. So in this way we can calculate the value of P2, that is the concentration of the electron at x2 for the third numerical. So these are the problems on the diffusion current. We will see more problems in the upcoming videos. In this video, we are going to discuss about some numericals on the diffusion process inside the semiconductor. So let us see the first numerical. So it will be the fourth numerical on the diffusion process. We have already done some numericals on the diffusion process in the previous videos. So let us see the fourth numericals. In this fourth numericals, you can see that hole concentration in silicon is given by px. So hole concentration is given by this equation, and you can see the hole concentration is varying with respect to distance, or when the x, that is the distance, is greater than equals to 0, and dp is given, that is the hole diffusion coefficient is given by 10 centimeter square per second. So hole diffusion current density at x equals to 0 is also given as 6.4 ampere per centimeter square. So what will be the value of the diffusion length of the holes? So we have to find the value of the diffusion length of the holes. So let us see, if I do the solution, then the px value, that is the hole concentration. So hole concentration is given by px, and this px value is given as 2 into 10 to the power 15 exponential minus x by lp per centimeter cube, and this is valid for x greater than equals to 0. Another thing is also given, that the diffusion coefficient for the holes, that is the dp, is given by 10 centimeter square per second, and it is also given, that is the hole diffusion current density. So jp diffusion कहाँ पे? At x equals to 0 पे, at x equals to 0 पे it is given by 6.4 ampere per centimeter square. So we have to find the value of the diffusion length, that is the LP. So we need to find the value of LP. LP is the diffusion length. So this is the question. Now from this equation you can see that the whole diffusion is varying with respect to distance, and this Jp is the whole diffusion current density at x equals to 0. So we have to find the concentration gradient. So if I find the concentration gradient, that is dp of x divided by dx. So from this equation I can calculate the concentration gradient. So it will be the concentration gradient of होल्स का concentration gradient है. So let us differentiate this. So after differentiating we can get that it will be 2 into 10 to the power 15 जैसा है वैसा ही रहेगा. और एक्सपोनेंशियल टर्म का डिफरेंशिएशन तो एक्सपोनेंशियल टर्म ही होता है और सिर्फ बाहर पे आएंगे -1/LP और यहाँ पे होंगे e to the power -x/LP. So it will give you the concentration gradient. Now in the question it is given that the current density, ये वाला जो current density है at x equals to 0 due to the whole diffusion is given. So to find the current density at x equals to 0 we need the current density we need the concentration gradient of the holes at x equals to 0. So let's find the dp x by dx at x equals to 0. So x equals to 0 पे क्या होंगे 2 into 10 to the power 15 जैसा है वैसा ही रहेगा. यहाँ पे रहेंगे -1/LP और e to the power -x, x means 0, so 0/LP. So ultimately we will get it as 2 into 10 to the power 15 minus 1/LP. So ये होगा. So we have found the concentration gradient at x equals to 0. So what will be the current density Jp due to diffusion of holes at x equals to 0. So it will be minus, तो माइनस तो आता है होल के लिए डिफ्यूजन करंट डेंसिटी में, it will be q into dp and del p of x divided by dx at x equals to 0. So let us put the value. So if I put the value, then it will come out to be minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus, it will come out to be minus 19. q का वैल्यू, dp का वैल्यू गिवन है that is 10, so यहाँ पे 10 और dpx by dx at x equals to 0 is given by this equation. So we will get 2 into 10 to the power 15 into minus 1/LP, and this value is total given as 6.4 ampere per centimeter square. So from this equation, if you see this equation, so from this equation we can calculate the value of LP, because only the LP is unknown, all the values are known. So let us find the value of LP right now from this equation. So for that case our equation is 6.4 ampere per centimeter square is equals to minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 so it will be 10 here, और यहाँ पे था मेरा minus 2 into, there was a diffusion coefficient, you can see minus 2 into 10 to the power 15 divided by LP, ये वाला रिलेशन था. So from this we can find, so let us find the LP value. So LP value क्या होंगे? LP वैल्यू को मैं लिख सकता हूँ दिस माइनस एंड दिस माइनस, ये वाला माइनस और ये वाला माइनस दोनों कैंसिल आउट होकर प्लस हो जाएंगे. सो हो जाएगा 1.6 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 19 इंटू 10 इंटू 2 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 15 divided by 6.4. So this will be the value of LP. Now if I calculate this, then I will get it as 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 18. So यहाँ पे 19 और यहाँ minus 19, यहाँ पे 1, so minus 18 into 10 to the power 15. So ultimately it will come out to be 0.5. ये दोनों काट आउट हो जाएंगे और होके आएगा -3. So I will get it as 5 into 10 to the power -4 centimeter. So this will be the value of LP. So diffusion length of the hole that we have found it as 5 into 10 to the power -4 centimeter. So this is the answer of the question. In this how we can calculate the value of diffusion coefficient, diffusion length of the holes. So दिस वॉज द क्वेश्चन प्रीवियसली, ये वाले क्वेश्चन का मैंने सॉल्यूशन किया. अभी हम लोग सॉल्यूशन करेंगे दूसरे वाले क्वेश्चन का. सो दूसरे वाला क्वेश्चन क्या है? सो दूसरे वाला क्वेश्चन ये वाला है कि यहाँ पे लिखा है कि इलेक्ट्रॉन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन प्रोफाइल, ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन, दिस इज इलेक्ट्रॉन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन प्रोफाइल गिवन बिलो. क्रॉस सेक्शन ऑफ द सैंपल इज 0.05 centimeter square. Diffusion coefficient for the electrons is given as Dn, and calculate the electron diffusion current. We have to find the diffusion current for electrons, that is Jn diffusion. ये हम लोगों का निकालने होंगे, Jn diffusion for electrons. Now we know, if you see the graph, it is the electron concentration profile, or when x equals to 0, at x equals to 0 you can see the concentration is 10 to the power 16 per centimeter cube, and when the distance is at x equals to 0.1 centimeter, then the concentration is 10 to the power 15. So you can say that at x equals to 0, the concentration of electron is equals to 10 to the power 16 per centimeter cube, and at x equals to 0.1 centimeter, the concentration of electrons Nx value is 10 to the power 15 per centimeter cube. So from this we can calculate the concentration gradient of electrons. So it will be dn by dx. So we can say that it will be n2 x minus n1x divided by x2 minus x1. So let us put the value. Let us take the, this is the second case, and let us take this as the first case. So my n2 will be 10 to the power 15 minus 10 to the power 16, and x2 value is equals to 0.1 centimeter minus 0, and it will be centimeter. This unit will be per centimeter cube, so this will be per centimeter cube, and in the it will be centimeter in the denominator. So for this, if you calculate, then how much value you will get? You will get it as, this is the diffusion concentration gradient of the electrons. So we have to find the Jn diffusion. So Jn diffusion, that is the electron diffusion current. We can say that the electron diffusion current, that is Jn diffusion, will be equals to plus Q into Dn into the concentration gradient of the electron. So let us put the value. So it will be plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, that is the electron charge. Dn value is 25, and dn by dx value we have found it as 10 to the power 15 minus 10 to the power 16 divided by 0.1. So from this equation we can calculate. So if we calculate this, we can find the value will be point. It will be the, if you calculate this value, we can get the value as 18 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere, that is 18 milliampere. So this is the diffusion electron current density in this, due to this concentration profile. So this is how we can calculate the electron diffusion current density due to this profile. So let us see the next problem. This was the second problem. So in the next problem, what is the next problem? So next problem is this. In this next problem, we can see that the whole concentration is given by a equation. So this is the whole concentration equation given in the equation, and it is valid for x greater than equals to 0. The electron concentration is also given by another equation. So this is the electron concentration given, and this is valid for x less than equals to 0. And Lp value is given, Ln value is given, dp value is given, dn value is given. We have to calculate the total current density at x equals to 0. So what do we mean by the total current density? So first let us draw a diagram. So if I draw a diagram like this, so suppose this is the x-axis. Suppose this is the x-axis. So in this x-axis, so x is given in centimeter. I will draw this according to the question. So suppose this is the x equals to 0 point. If this is the x equals to 0 point, then at x equals to 0, what will happen? X equals to 0. So in this case, it is x less than 0, and this is x greater than 0. And at this point, it is x equals to 0. So now, according to the question, the whole concentration is given for x greater than equals to 0. So यहाँ पे मेरा whole concentration given है. It is valid for x greater than 0. It is 10 to the power 15 e to the power minus x by Lp, और जो इलेक्ट्रॉन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है that is valid for x less than equals to 0 यहाँ पे. So it is given as 5 into 10 to the power 14 e to the power plus x by ln. So this is the whole concentration value which is valid for x greater than equals to 0, and this is the value of electron concentration which is valid for x less than equals to 0. Now we have to find the current density at this point. यहाँ पे मुझे current density निकालने होंगे, total current density. So the total current density at this point. So the total current density at this point means it will be Jn diffusion, Jn diffusion plus Jp diffusion at x equals to 0. So we have to separately find the Jn diffusion at x equals to 0 and Jp diffusion at x equals to 0. So let us write this. So for that case, let us see that we have seen that the J total at x equals to 0 is nothing but Jn diffusion at x equals to 0 plus Jp diffusion at x equals to 0. So we have to find separately this one, and we have to find separately for the wholes, then we have to add them. So let us find the Jn diffusion first. So what will be the Jn diffusion at x equals to 0? So Jn diff, suppose I am finding it. So Jn diffusion का इक्वेशन क्या होता है? प्लस Q into dn into concentration gradient, that is dn by dx. Now we have to find the dn by dx because dn by dx हमारे पास नहीं है. So nx का जो वैल्यू गिवन है, nx का जो वैल्यू गिवन है, nx वैल्यू was given like this. nx वैल्यू क्या था? 5 into 10 to the power 14 into e to the power x by ln. So for that case nx वैल्यू था मेरा 10 to the power 14, 5 into 10 to the power 14 e to the power x by ln. So from this equation we can find the value of dn by dx. So if I find the value of dn by dx, so it will come out to be 5 into 10 to the power 14 और यहाँ पे आएंगे 1 by ln और e to the power x by ln. So if I put these values, then it will be 1.6. It will be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 for the value of q. dn वैल्यू क्या था? dn वैल्यू मेरा था 25. So dn value is 25 and dp value dn by dx value यहाँ पे निकाला मैंने. So 5 into 10 to the power 14 और into 1 by ln into e to the power x by ln, ये वैल्यू होगा. So now you can see the total equation. So in this total equation you can find that 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into 25 into 5 into 10 to the power 14 into e to the power x by ln divided by ln. So what will be the value of Jn diffusion at x equals to 0? So let us put the value of Jn diffusion at x equals to 0. So it will be 1.6. So it will be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into 25 into 5. So it will be 125 into 10 to the power 14 into e to the power 0 by ln, और नीचे ln है, और ln का वैल्यू भी गिवन है। ln का वैल्यू क्या है? ln is given by 10 to the power minus 3 centimeter. So let us write the value of ln. So this ln value is given by 10 to the power minus 3 centimeter. So e to the power 0 value means 1. So ultimately if you calculate this, you will get the value of 2 ampere per centimeter square. So this is the value of Jn, that is the इलेक्ट्रॉन के लिए जो डिफ्यूजन करंट होगा at x equals to 0 is 2 ampere per centimeter square. So now let us find the होल के लिए क्या करंट होगा. So ये वाला निकल गया. So we have to find this one right now. So Jp diffusion. So Jp diffusion का इक्वेशन जो होता है, Jp diffusion का जो इक्वेशन होता है for x, it will be minus q into dp into dp by dx. Now we have to find the value of dp by dx from px equation, and px equation जो था वो था मेरा 10 to the power 15 exponential minus x by lp. So it will be 10 to the power 15 divided by LP, सामने एक माइनस आएंगे, e to the power minus x by LP. तो ये होगा मेरा dp by dx. So we will use this dp by dx in this equation. So ultimately we will find that J p diffusion function of x, it will be minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. dp value क्या था? dp value was given as 10 centimeter square per second, and dp by dx is minus 10 to the power 15 divided by lp, and lp value was given by 5 into 10 to the power minus 4, और उसके साथ होंगे e to the power minus x by lp. Now we have to find the Jp value due to diffusion at x equals to 0. So ultimately this minus minus sign will be plus, and it will be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into 10 into 10 to the power 15 divided by 5 into 10 to the power minus 4, और यहाँ पे आएंगे x की जगह पे 0 पुट करेंगे, so 0 by LP. So in this way you can calculate. So ये जो टर्म है, ये वाला टर्म आपका हो जाएंगे 1. So after this you can calculate. If you calculate, then you will get it as 3.2 ampere per centimeter square. So मेरा J total क्या होगा? What will be the value of J total? So J total at x equals to 0 is equals to Jn diffusion at x equals to 0 plus J p diffusion at x equals to 0. So Jn diffusion मेरा कितना आया था? So Jn diffusion मेरा आया था 2 ampere per centimeter square. So it will be 2 ampere per centimeter square, और Jp का वैल्यू है 3.2 ampere per centimeter square. So ultimately it will be 5.2 ampere per centimeter square. So this will be the total current density at x equals to 0. So in this way we can calculate the total current density of the semiconductor at x equals to 0. Now let us see another question of the diffusion current density. So the diffusion current density of this question, so let us see first next question. So जो next question है ये वाला मेरा next question है. So in this next question you can see that the value, it is written that in a p-type semiconductor which material is given. मेरा material है p-type semiconductor, 5 microns length long है. So मेरे पास एक p-type semiconductor है. So suppose this is a p-type semiconductor and this p-type semiconductor is 5 micron length. इसका length कितना है 5 micron. So 5 micrometer. Electrons are injected such that the concentration varies linearly. So concentration मेरा vary हो रहा है linearly from 10 to the power 20 per centimeter cube to 0 from left to right. मतलब यहाँ पे जो इलेक्ट्रॉन हमने डाला तो इलेक्ट्रॉन का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन लिनियरली वेरी कर रहा है. सो लिनियरली ऐसे वेरी हो रहा है. यहाँ पे 0 कॉन्सेंट्रेशन हो रहा है और यहाँ पे मेरा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन हो रहा है 10 to the power 20 per centimeter cube. Now the mobility of the electron is given. ये मेरा mobility of the electron है. We have to find the current density. So for this case you can see there is a concentration gradient created. यहाँ पे concentration ज़्यादा है, यहाँ पे concentration कम है. So diffusion current flow होगा. So diffusion current flow होने से क्या होगा कि मेरा concentration gradient पहले निकाल लेते हैं. So concentration gradient created of electrons का concentration gradient क्या होता है, that is dn by dx. So dn by dx क्या होगा मेरा n2 minus n1 divided by x2 minus x1. So if I write n2 as 0, so it will be 0 minus 10 to the power 20 और x2 क्या होंगे, x2 is 5 micron length. तो यहाँ पे x वैल्यू है 5 micron. So 5 into 10 to the power 5 micrometer minus 0 और यहाँ पे जो मेरा यूनिट्स होंगे that is per centimeter cube. तो मुझे ये माइक्रोमीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो माइक्रोमीटर को अगर सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो ये आएंगे -10 to the power 20 और ये होगा 5 into 10 to the power -4. अभी सेंटीमीटर पे है -0. So this will be the concentration gradient. Now we have to find the current density. So current density क्या होंगे, current density due to the electron. So current density due to electrons that is equals to Jn diffusion. So Jn diffusion मतलब plus Q into dn by dx. So it will be q into dn by dx. Now dn by dx का वैल्यू तो मेरे पास है, q का वैल्यू मुझे मालूम है और dn that is the diffusion coefficient का वैल्यू यहाँ पे नहीं है. So diffusion coefficient का वैल्यू मुझे निकालने पड़ेंगे. So diffusion coefficient का वैल्यू मैं अगर जानता हूँ तो आइंस्टाइन रिलेशन से जानता हूँ. क्या होता है कि dn by mu n is equals to vt. So from this equation we can write that the value of dn will be vt into mu n. So we'll put the value of dn as vt into mu n, and mu n मेरे पास है, vt मेरे पास है. So ultimately we will get plus q, और यहाँ पे आएगा mu n into vt into dn by dx. So it will be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. mu n वैल्यू क्या है, 500 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर पर वोल्ट सेकेंड. vt value is 26 millivolt. vt value is 26 millivolt. So 26 millivolt is nothing but 0.026 volt. और dn by dx है 0 minus 10 to the power 20 divided by 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 minus 0. So now we can calculate this. So if we calculate this, then we will get the value as, ये जो dn by dx है, ये जो dn by dx है, इसका वैल्यू कितना आएंगे, इसका वैल्यू आएगा, इसको अगर मैं अलग से लिखता हूँ तो 1.6 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 19 इंटू 500 इंटू 0.026, और ये वाले को पहले कैलकुलेट करते हैं. तो इसको अगर कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो मेरे पास आएंगे, माइनस साइन आएगा, और ये होगा 2 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 23, ये वैल्यू. नाउ we can calculate this total term. So if we calculate the total term, then ultimately we will get it as minus 416 into 10 to the power 3 ampere per सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. बट यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है कि वी हैव टू फाइंड द करंट डेंसिटी इनटू 10 टू द पावर 4. सो वी हैव टू मेक इट. सो इट विल बी माइनस 416 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 3 था, इसके साथ एक 10 मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा और 10 डिवाइड करने पड़ेंगे, तो ये होगा एम्पियर पर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो इट विल बिकम एज, 10 से डिवाइड हो जाएंगे, दैट इज माइनस 4.16 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 4 ampere per centimeter square. So my answer will be, what will be the answer? The answer will be minus 4.16. So this will be the answer of this question. Now ये था मेरा क्वेश्चन डिफ्यूजन के ऊपर. नाउ लेट अस सी अनदर क्वेश्चन. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लुक्स लाइक दिस. This is a very beautiful question. You can see the whole concentration variation is shown in the figure. मेरा whole concentration is given in the figure. ये मेरा whole concentration given है. देखिए at x equals to 0 पे, at x equals to 0 पे मेरा concentration है P0, and at x equals to W the concentration value is given by एक ये P0 value और फिर constant है. So we can say here that at x equals to 0 the concentration value is P0, and at x equals to W the concentration value is given by P suffix 0. दोनों अलग अलग है. So for the semiconductor, which of the following graphs matches for whole current density? तो मुझे whole current density का ग्राफ प्लॉट करना है. दैट मीन्स वी नीड टू प्लॉट द एक्स एक्सिस में मेरा डिस्टेंस रहेगा और वाई एक्सिस में मेरा रहेंगे जे एन डिफ्यूशन. होल करंट है तो ये पी हो जाएंगे, तो जेपी डिफ्यूजन मुझे निकालने होंगे. सो वी हैव टू प्लॉट जेपी डिफ्यूजन वर्सेस एक्स. नाउ we know that the Jp diffusion value क्या होता है? एक होता है माइनस, ये है Q, यहाँ पे होता है dp वैल्यू, और यहाँ पे कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ग्रेडियंट dp बाई dx। अब ये Q तो कांस्टेंट है, dp कांस्टेंट है, जो वेरी कर रहा है वो है x के साथ dp बाई dx। सो dp बाई dx का वैल्यू क्या होता होगा? सो dp बाई dx का वैल्यू होंगे, देखिए यहाँ से 0 से W तक मेरा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन चेंज हो रहा है। सो वी कैन से दैट the diffusion concentration gradient will be n2 minus n1, so it will be n2 minus, यहाँ पे तो होल है तो p2 होंगे, so p2 minus p1 divided by x2 minus x1। what is p2? p2 वैल्यू जो है, p2 वैल्यू आप देख सकते हैं, p2 वैल्यू, सो p2 को अगर मैं x2 को अगर w बोलते हैं, सो w minus 0, so it will be p of 0 minus p suffix 0, so this will be the value. Now you can see that the value of p of 0, that means यहाँ पे मैं देख सकता हूँ कि the value of p of 0 is greater than p of 0। यहाँ पे मेरा जो वैल्यू है, यहाँ पे मेरा थोड़ा गलती हुआ है, so let us rectify that। if I यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे जो होना चाहिए P2 वैल्यू क्या है, P2 वैल्यू तो P0 है, ये वाला, सो P0 माइनस P ऑफ 0। अब देखो कि ये जो P0 वैल्यू है दैट इज लेस देन P ऑफ 0, ये तो होगा, ये अगर लेस देन है तो माइनस साइन आएंगे तो नेगेटिव स्लोप आएगा, सो नेगेटिव स्लोप विल गेट अ नेगेटिव वैल्यू, सो विल गेट अ नेगेटिव स्लोप, और ये नेगेटिव स्लोप किसके बीच में होगा, 0 से लेकर W के बीच में। अब देखो जो ग्राफ्स गिवन है, तो यहाँ पे 0 और यहाँ पे W कांस्टेंट स्लोप, ये नहीं होंगे, यहाँ पे 0 टू W कांस्टेंट स्लोप, ये नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे 0 टू W कोई स्लोप नहीं है, तो ये तो नहीं होगा। सो ये वाले फोर्थ ऑप्शन पे देखिए 0 से लेकर W तक मेरा नेगेटिव स्लोप है और बाकी 0, बिकॉज यहाँ पे कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ग्रेडियंट 0 है, सेम कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, तो यहाँ पे स्लोप तो 0 आएंगे, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव स्लोप आएगा, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव स्लोप, सो द ऑप्शन डी जो है यही है आपका सही आंसर। सो द कर्व विल लुक लाइक दिस कि एट 0 टू W के बीच में मेरा कर्व नेगेटिव स्लोप होंगे, उसके बाद 0, and it matches with the D. So D will be the right option. So in this way, this type of questions that come in the GATE examination, and this is a very important questions for the diffusion current concept inside the semiconductor. So this is all about the numericals on the diffusion current density or diffusion phenomena inside the semiconductors. In the end, do not forget to like and subscribe our channel to get more videos. Thank you.